Good morning, my little rays of sunshine, even on a cloudy day. I don't know about you, but on mornings that are gloomy, I don't jump out of bed as easy as I do on the ones that are bright and sunny. Can hear it in my voice too. I'm like, oh, it's so early out. No, but really, it's still gonna, even though we had some rain yesterday and this morning we're supposed to have some rain, but I think it's supposed to kind of clear up a little bit later. So get this Wednesday going, and it's good to get your work done in the morning anyway, so then if it does clear up, you have time to go outside and play and do all the fun things that you guys do. But I guess my question today is, in case it doesn't clear up and you're in the house, what cool thing can you do when you're done with your work today? Later, after you do your morning stuff. So that is your question of the day. So even if it is yucky the rest of the day, which I don't think it will be, but just in case, what could you do that could be fun or cool inside after you do your work? That's what I want to know today, because it may give me some inspiration to do something cool myself. So yep, that's what I got this morning. And oh yeah, you guys, we're almost done with our week already. So can't be too gloomy about Wednesday, because it means we are already that much closer to the weekend and some more glorious family time without having to do work. Well, schoolwork. You might have to do yard work or clean your room work or something that your parents want you to do, of course. But stuff for me, you get a break from. Anyway, all right. And thank you guys for all of the memories you shared yesterday. It's really sweet to read all of your awesome favorite teacher memories. Okay, bye guys. Until tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye.